on, Minnie. Want to tell us about your day? And why you're halfway up the tree? Do you know? Okay, you wild buffoon. You guys are so stupid. What are you doing to me? I don't want to go up the tree. Is Minnie gonna come down from me? Come on, Minnie. Okay, move Penelope. Come on, Minnie. Come here for your kitty, sister. Come on.
Yay!
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, okay, the car just went by. Never mind. Come on. Come on. Yay! Woo! Woo! Only took you an hour and a half. Now go find your sister. Thanks for the motivation, Penelope. Yeah.